Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be solving this interesting equation. So I'll start by writing here with 4 open bracket. So here now will become 5 raised to the power of 2 cosine x times 5 raised to the power of minus 1, close my bracket, all equal to sec square s is the same thing as 1 all over cos square x. Then we continue again. My next step now will be to divide both sides by 4. So after dividing both sides by 4, I got 5 raised to the power of 2 cos x times 5 raised to the power of minus 1 is the same thing as 1 all over 5 equal to 1 all over. Since we divide both sides by 4, here will be 4 cos square x. Then now from here now, I'm going to write this expression and this 5 raised to the power of 2 cos x as 5 raised to the power of cos x square times 1 all over 5 equal to 1 all over 4 cos square x. We continue again now. Then now my next step now will be to multiply both sides of this equation by 5 cos square x. I'll multiply both sides of this equation now by 5 cos square x. That's this 5 cos square x. So right now, let me write this first. So we say 5 raised to the power of cos x square times 1 all over 5 times cos square x equal to 5 cos square x equal to 1 all over 4 cos square x times 5 cos square x. So now I multiply both sides of this particular equation by 5 cos square x. Now from here now, 5 will divide 5, so we'll now have something like this. We'll say 5 raised to the power of cos x all squared times 5 divided by 5 is already out times cos square x equal to, now cos square x will divide cos square x here. Now we are now left with 5 over 4 here, so we see 5 all over 4. Then in the left hand side I can write it in this way, since both of them are raised to the power of 2. This one is raised to the power of 2, this is raised to the power of 2, so we can write it as 5 raised to the power of cos x times cos x all raised to the power of 2 equal to, now 5 over 4 can be written as bracket the square root of 5 all over 2 all squared. We know that the square root of 5 square is what? 5, while 2 square is what? 4. So we continue. My next step now will be to take the square root of both sides to remove this square here. So after taking the square root of both sides, the square here and here will be eliminated. So we will now have 5 raised to the power of cos x multiplied by cos x all equal to the square root of 5 all over 2. Then we continue again. We have 5 raised to the power of cos x times cos x equal to, this side now, the right hand side here now will now become the square root of 5 multiplied by 1 all over 2. Then we'll continue again. Here is what? 5 raised to the power of cos x times cos x equal to, the square root of 5 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 1 all over 2 times, this is what? 1 all over 2 also. Now I'm going to compare both sides. The power of 5 here now is what? 1 over 2, while the power of 5 here is cos x. This other part here is what cos x, and here is what 1 over 2. So we can simply say that cos x is equal to 1 all over 2. So, and if cos x is equal to 1 over 2, therefore x will be equal to cos inverse of 1 all over 2. And cos inverse of 1 over 2 is 60 degrees. So we can say x is equal to 60 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.